Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Foodatomic. Today we are making vegan croissants. Croissants are flaky, layered French pastry in the shape of a crescent. We are making two different types, both can be done in the same day but one is faster than the other. I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare this recipe with a few simple steps. So if you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Activating the yeast. To a bowl, add warm water approximately 150 ml. Add 1 tablespoon of vegan sugar and mix it till it dissolves. Then add 1 teaspoon of yeast to the water and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. And you'll see that the yeast will get activated. Step number 2. Prepare the dough. To a bowl, add 500 grams of all-purpose flour or bread flour. Add 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of vegan butter, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 150 ml of yeast water, around 70 ml of plant-based milk. I'm using coconut milk, but you can use any vegan milk of your choice. Mix all the ingredients till they are well combined. You can add some water if the consistency is not right. Step number 3. Knead. Once everything comes together, start kneading the dough. You don't have to knead the dough a lot for the croissants. It took me around 10 minutes to knead till it was perfect. Roll the dough in a ball shape. Add a few drops of olive oil to the empty bowl and brush it evenly across the surface. Then add the dough ball in the bowl and cover it with the plastic film. Step number 4. Let this rest for 1 to 2 hours or until you see the dough has risen and almost doubled in size. Then remove the plastic film. The dough has become soft and fluffy. Step number 5. Place the dough on a flatter surface and add some dry flour on the base of the surface. Then press it gently to flatten it out. Now take a rolling pin and start to roll the dough out evenly. Try to roll it in a rough rectangular shape. Then slice the edges to give it a perfect rectangle. You can roll the dough thinner than this if you like. Then give it 3 partitions lengthwise. This method is the fastest way to prepare the mini croissants. After which we are going to slice it in triangles just like this. Take the triangle and hold it from one side and then start to roll it towards one of the edges. Once done, give it the shape of a half moon or a crescent. Repeat the same with the rest of them. You can change the width, shape, size as per your choice. Line a baking tray with the parchment paper and place them on top of it. Now to give them some color, you can either use just plant-based milk and brush it on their surface, or you can also add agave syrup to the soy milk and apply it on top of them. Step number 6. Time for some baking. Place them in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. The croissants are ready. You can brush them with some vegan butter or serve them with some homemade jam, but they stand so good on their own as well. They are incredibly soft and so delicious. You can also prepare them in so many different flavors. So let's see our option number 2. Take some frozen vegan butter and place it in a plastic bag or in between the butter paper. Fold the butter paper in a rough square. Ensure that it's sealed properly from all the sides. Gently tap it so it gets spread evenly between the butter paper. Freeze the vegan butter. Then place the frozen vegan butter on top of the dough. If it comes out in one piece, great, else don't worry about it and arrange the pieces as evenly as you can. Now wrap the dough around the butter so it's sealed properly. Then lightly beat it with a roller so the dough is intact and the butter can spread evenly. Make multiple folds and keep on rolling the dough. The more number of folds means that you will have more layers in the croissants. Once the dough is rolled out, slice it in a rectangular shape. Then we will cut out large triangles. Slit the triangle from one side and then gently start to roll it in the standard croissant shape. See how nice and elastic it is? This also shows you that the dough was done right. Try to roll it as tight as possible so there is no gap in between. Towards the end, fold it a little, giving it a beautiful crescent shape. For the next one, I'm going to add some chocolate chips. And let me tell you, I get greedy at times with these chocolate chips. Technically, you can add some and then roll it, but I like to add them at every section. The chocolate chips might even fall out, but that's the risk I'm willing to take. So, the love for chocolate wins. And to clarify, these are vegan chocolate chips. There you go. The chocolate croissant is ready as well. Alternatively, you can also slice the dough in a rectangle instead of triangles to make the chocolate croissants. Add the chocolate chips at the start and then roll it. And again, you can add as many and as much as you like. I'm going for a good amount of chocolate chips. Make sure to fold it tight so there is not much gap and the chocolate chips are intact too. I'm adding some more while folding it, and that is optional. This is ready too. You can bake them just like this or choose to slice them in smaller bits as well. I'm not using the parchment paper in this case as the chocolate might melt out of the croissants and get stuck to the paper. So I have lightly brushed the baking tray with oil. Then brush the croissants with the mix of agave and plant-based milk. Then bake them over 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or till they are nice and golden. Look at those layers. My house right now is filled with the fragrance of croissants. Baking is a therapy in itself, food therapy, right? They are soft, light, fluffy and filled with a lot of happiness named chocolate. Look at that, so fluffy. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodatomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I use in the description section. You can find the written recipe of this video on my website foodatomic.com and check out this delicious pita bread recipe, and if you're still looking for more vegan videos, you would definitely love this vegan playlist right here. That's all for today guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.